Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapper Chronicles. Today we bring you another tool style video. Something a little bit different. Today we have a set of screwdrivers from Harbor Freight. But before we get started, if you can give me a like and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you find this content interesting or helpful. Okay guys, today we have a set of Doyle 7-piece cushion grip screwdriver set. The item number for this is 56914. This is from Harbor Freight. Okay, it says high strength S2 steel. So I guess that's a better grade of steel. This set usually sells for like $25, but through the magic of the closeout aisle, this was $15.98. Okay, what's wrong with it? It's missing one screwdriver. It's missing this one. It's the 5/16 flathead. So they took off $9 because they were missing one screwdriver. Seems like a pretty good deal. I'll take it. Every time I go to Harbor Freight, I usually stop in the clearance aisle to see what they have over there. Usually a lot of not so great stuff. A lot of extensions for some reason. I guess they break a lot, and I guess people come in and they give them one, and they take the rest of the pack and they put it in the clearance as an open box. But usually stuff like that. Once in a blue moon, you see something pretty good. This was something that was decent, so I picked it up. Okay. And here are the sizes. It says this set comes with a 5/16 flathead, a 3/16 flathead, a 1/4 inch flathead, and a different 1/4 inch. There are two different 1/4 inches on this. There's this one, and then there's this one. And then the number 2 Phillips, and the number 1 Phillips, and a 3/16 flathead with a long shaft. Alright, let's take these out so we can check them out. Oh, and where was this made? Okay, right here you see made in Taiwan. And here's some more information on it. Cabinet, keystone, and Phillips tips for multiple job applications. Premium acetate handles, so the handles are acetate with a rubber style cushion on top. And durable and chemical resistant materials, high strength S2 steel construction for optimal durability, cushion grip handles reduce hand fatigue, precision machine tips for increased torque and exact fit, tip type printed on grip for quick tool selection. Alright, so this is what they talk about the printing. They printed the size and the style here on the grips, on the end of the grips. So I guess you can see them if they're in a holster or whatever. You can take a quick glance and see what they are without having to take all of them out. Okay, and this is the rubber handle. I tried to take the rubber out. Is not coming out. I think maybe there's a lip inside here somewhere that's holding this rubber onto the handle, but that's what the rubber looks like. And these are the acetate for the handle. It's red in color. And let me zoom in a little bit here so we can take a better look at the tips. This is the number 2 Phillips head. This is what the tips look like. Has like that black coating. It's as you can see, it's like a powder coating, so it's kind of grippy a little bit. This is what the tips look like. They say they're precision ground. They look pretty good. They say this is S2 steel, which is supposed to be a good grade of steel. And you can see here the tips. And two of the screwdrivers, 2 of the flatheads, but none of the Phillips come with this hex attachment here. So you can add a bit more torque if you put a wrench on this. If you need that extra bit of torque. Only 2 in the set of 7 came with the hex, and they're both flatheads. The other one I'm missing. That's the one that's missing from the set. And here's a look at this tip. Same paint. That's what the tips look like. Looks pretty good. And it comes with this long, thin shaft. And this is the 3/16 screwdriver. This reminds me of those screwdrivers that you would need to put in those jigsaws to release the screw or the nut, the screw that was inside the head, to so you can change blades. And here's the number 1 Phillips. Just a tip on that. So they seem pretty decent. And this is like one of the more expensive Harbor Freight screwdriver sets. You can see it says Doyle here on the handles also, at $25. But I think there's another set that's more expensive. That I think that's an Icon. That's an Icon set. So, and that one, I think that one runs probably twice as expensive as this set. It's going up there into, like, I think the $50 range. So yeah, that's what I found at Harbor Freight at the clearance rack. So, you know, if you're looking for some decent screwdrivers, this might be an option for you. You know, if you want to spend more than the usual, like $10-15 at Harbor Freight for a screwdriver set, you want a little bit better quality, you can look into investing maybe $10 more and get this one. Okay guys, until next time.